Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to restart an Echo Dot. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to restart your Echo Dot, aka turn it off and turn it back on again, you're probably going to be looking for a switch, a button, a lever, anything that would allow you to restart it. And you're probably seeing all these buttons up here. None of these have to do with actually turning off the device and turning it back on. You cannot control the power via any button on the Echo Dot. They've made it even more simplistic than a button, okay? It's very simple. If the unit is plugged in, the power is going to it and it is on. If the unit is unplugged or not connected to power, there's no power going to it and the unit is turned off. So very simple. So what we want to do is essentially we want to unplug it, leave it unplugged for about 15 seconds and then plug it back in. And I'll tell you some of the benefits of doing this as I'm doing it. So as you can see right here, we're just going to go ahead and unplug it from the wall outlet. Okay. We're going to leave for about 15 seconds. You can leave for longer. Sometimes I tell people 30 seconds to a minute. 15 usually does the trick, but if you really want to be safe, leave it for 30 seconds to a minute and it will truly clear out any error. So that's one of the things. If you are experiencing any technical difficulties with your Echo Dot, what you can do is honestly just unplug it, leave it unplugged for about a minute, and then plug it back in. And if there's any software glitches or malfunctions or hardware glitches or malfunctions, it'll usually clear them out most of the time. Sometimes there's like an update that's pending, whatever the case is. Like, with most technological devices, doing this, restarting them is a key factor in keeping them running properly, because lots of stuff gets caught up in the background. And when you do this, it sort of clears out everything that's happening in the background and just starts it again. It just reboots it. So it's probably been long enough, give or take. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug it back in just like that. So we're plugged back in over there, and we're going to give this a moment to boot up and we're good to go. That's how to restart an Echo Dot, an easy tutorial. Now, once the blue light stops spinning and turns off, then we know we have restarted the device. Like, it's restarted now, but it's still booting up. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.